In this video, we'll look at how to calculate cumulative sum using the TensorFlow math library. So for cumulative sum, just as we did in cumulative product, we'll create a tensor x is equal to tf.constant, and here we'll use the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go up to 7. We need a comma there, and we'll calculate the cumulative sum by using tf.math.cumulative.sum and input the value of x, and we can print the value of z that would be in the output. And as we can see, if we had the values in the form of a, b, c, and d, then what the cumulative sum would do is as follows. We calculate the value of we put the value of a as is, then we have a plus b, then we have a plus b plus c, then we have a plus b plus c plus d, and so on. So likewise, here we have the value of a, which is the first value 1, that stays as is. Then we have 1 plus 2, which is 3, and that's what we have. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6, that's what we get here. Then plus 4 to that, we get a 10. Plus 5 to that, we get a 15, and so on. Additionally, we can calculate a reverse of the cumulative sum, and for that what we need to do is specify a reverse is equal to true. And when we specify reverse is equal to true, we are going in the opposite direction. So we have the first value of d, then we have the value of c plus d, and then we have value of b plus c plus d, and we keep going until we get to a. Then we have a plus b plus c plus d. So opposite of what we just did. And if you look at the output, the last value is 7, that's what we see as is. Then we have 7 plus 6 is 13, you get that. And then 13 plus 5 is 18, you get that, and so on. Last value is 28. In addition to this, we can also pass in exclusive is equal to true. So exclusive is equal to true. So what happens in this case is we start out with a 0, and then we increment the value. We perform the additions as follows: a plus b, a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c plus d, and we should see that in the output the first value is 0 right here, and then the second value is a, which is this 1. Then we have 1 plus 2, which is 3. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that 1 plus 2 plus 3, it becomes 6. And then we add 4 to that, becomes 10. Add 5 to that, 15. Add 6 to that, we get 21. So that's how the cumulative sum works in TensorFlow Math. If you have any comments or suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.